Alright, welcome guys. This video, as you might notice, it's only for our members, the memberships. I'm gonna reveal a quick trick I used to do to remove the wheels from any Trackmaster, either one, the old models or the new models. Now I use two crowbars, and probably you might see only one on my videos, and sometimes I don't even show it, but the trick is I use two crowbars. Also I use some kind of maybe screwdriver or another kind of tool to make it work. Allow me to demonstrate. Here, let's say you are about to remove the wheels from this Thomas, and here we have some wheels from James, Gordon, Henry, are almost the same. So what I do is I use my crowbar like this, and here is where you need to be very careful, because if you force it, it's gonna bend it to the side, and then your axle is gonna be like a wobbly. So here's where I put let me see you. I put something flat like a screwdriver like this, and this way I have a even level, I mean the even part are even, and so it will not bend the axle. So then just a little push down, look, and it comes out very easy. And the thing is that even the material, the ones are really hard to get it off, with this simple technique are very easy to remove. Now here is the Trackmaster 2 wheel set, and I will show you the same. See, so here is the thing, see, it's not bended, the axle on the previous wheel set, because I was very careful not to bend it. And how this works, because I put my screwdriver flat like this, and then it makes a perfect angle, a straight angle, where I'm going to push the crowbar up instead of, you know, like bend it to the side like this, because it's going to twist it. So now let me show you right here. I'm going to use the same simple technique with the Trackmaster 2 wheels. Then just try to make it even. If you put the, let's say, the crowbar line right in the center or close to the center of the axle or the driving wheel, in that way you will not bend it. Okay, let's do another test, demonstration. See, one push and it's coming out. So that's how I get it out. Now for this next part, I used to grab let me show you. I have a vice grip like this small one or the big one. So I used to put it, just, it's almost the same principle. Let's suppose this is the wheel we just removed, and then we have a good grip or a good way to remove. You gotta make sure it's tight, really tight, otherwise it's not gonna work. Now we put it this way, and I'm using another tool. Here is how it works, look. Okay, now I gotta use a small screwdriver. It's not gonna work with that big chunky grip handle tool. So trying to demonstrate how it works, how I do it. Now you can see the wheels are out, come out from our axle, and it was not bended. See, it's straight. Now you can replace this for the normal Trackmaster wheels if you want to do that, or if you are in the process of painting the wheels, because I used to remove the wheels from the axle, so that way I do not paint over the gears or the axle. and this is the way I used to do on the same way with all the Trackmaster models. Let me show you. It's a little hard. You gotta make sure it's tight enough. So remember, this video is only for our members. It's not going to be live. Nobody else is gonna watch. It's only the the members. See, here's the Trackmaster one. This axle is actually from my James with attached tender. Look, it was not bended. I told my wife to do the same, and she did not did a good job on other models, and the axle was bended a little bit, so at the end the wheels were like wobbly, like this, wobble wheels. So I hope you guys find this video interesting, and you can find this cheap. I think I get them for $5 from Walmart store, and I think you can find these are small ones, so you can buy this at your local hardware store really cheap. You need two, and be very careful. This is kind of sharp edges, but I did sand it a little bit, so I did not get caught myself, but still a little sharper. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.